The headlines. Manipur's COVID-19 tally rises to 1,260 with 26 fresh cases. Save Nambol River boat trip flagged off from Thong Nambonmi. And former MLA R.K. Anand quits NEIDP, joins BJP. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1 with me Mandira, and now the news in detail. Manipur's COVID-19 count has reached 1,260 after 26 fresh cases were confirmed in the last 24 hours. The swab samples tested positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLs of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, and Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Imphal. Officials said the fresh cases are from Imphal West, Thoubal, Kamjong, Jiribam, Tamenlong, Senapati and Ukhrul districts. The number of active cases of coronavirus now in the state stands 681, while 579 individuals have recovered and discharged as of 12 noon. In Thoubal district, a total number of COVID-19 cases rose to 55 with 2 new fresh cases reported yesterday. With 25 persons being discharged, the active cases in the district stand at 30. The 2 new patients are returnees from Delhi, officials said. They were inmates of a community quarantine centers opened at Thoubal College and Universal College, Wangkhem. Altogether, 254 inmates are staying in different community quarantine centers opened in 6 constituencies of Thoubal district. According to district administration, Thoubal, 2,422 persons have tested negative for COVID-19 and have been discharged from different quarantine centers. A spike of more than 19,000 new coronavirus cases and 434 deaths in a single day pushed India's overall case tally to over 6 lakh this morning. Total active cases in India this morning stood at 2,26,947, while 3.5 lakh recoveries recorded, according to updated data by the Union Health Ministry. The death toll combined to 17,834 after 434 fatalities were recorded in the last 24 hours. According to reports, the recovery rate is steadily improving to touch nearly 60%. India is the 4th worst affected country in terms of total cases after the US, Brazil and Russia. It is for the 6th consecutive day that coronavirus cases have increased by more than 18,000. The country has seen a surge of 4.1 lakh infections, according to an analysis of the ministry data. Nagaland registered 34 COVID-19 new positive cases today. According to reports, these new cases are among the 226 samples tested on Tuesday. Among them, 32 are from Perrin Quarantine Center and 1 each from Kohima and Dimapur Quarantine Centers. State Health Minister S. Phangyu Phom gave the information through his official Twitter handle today. As of today, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state stands at 535. However, there are 353 active cases in the state at present, while a total of 182 persons have so far recovered. The state has not witnessed any COVID-19 related deaths so far. The number of COVID-19 cases in Assam is increasing at a rapid rate in Guwahati, Jorhat and Biswanath Charaili of neighboring Assam. Hospitals in these areas are now running out of beds, officials said. According to a media report, Maniram Dewan Trade Center and IIT in Guwahati campuses will be opened as quarantine centers. An 800-bedded hospital will be inaugurated today at Assam's Khanapara to meet the prevailing requirement. Assam has so far reported a total of 8,895 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 3,019 active cases and 5,831 individuals have recovered and 12 persons have died from the disease.
At the same time, Tinita Labe eto complete koribo parisil, NIV Pune, Amar RMRC Lahwal and CSR. One company has come forwarded and they have adopted NIV Pune, but there will be more candidates who in days to come might adopt the achievement of our RMRC Lahwal also. So this press statement will be in our group soon so that you can use this.
Manipur Forest and Environment Minister Awangbo Nyumai today flagged off a Save Nambol River boat trip Thong Nambonbi in Imphal City this morning. Jointly organized by All Manipur Working Journalist Union, AMJU and Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur. Besides Awangbo Nyumai, Information and Public Relations Commissioner Amjoy, Director of Environment and Climate Change Y. Navachandra, Editors Guild Manipur President Khogendra Khomdram and AMJU President Bijoy Kakching Tabam took part in the trip. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nyumai stated that without the support and cooperation of the people residing in the immediate vicinity of the river, all the initiative by the government to save Nambol River will be a waste. The boat trip in Nambol River will cover a distance of 26.49 km extending up to Yangoi Karong in Bishnupur district. Former MLA R.K. Anand today joined the Bharatiya Janata Party after quitting Northeast India Development Party. BJP Manipur Pradesh welcomed Anand during a simple function at the party office, Kashampat in Imphal. R.K. Anand is likely to contest the upcoming by-election to Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency on BJP ticket, sources said. The Nauria seat is vacant following BJP MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra recently resigned from the assembly and the primary membership of the BJP. We'll take a short break here. Keep watching.
Ichabu mahitam hanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudoni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba, mahei tampham ama oiriba, khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba, CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawiduna mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu, ichagi phazabalam chat sajati ahombadu ubiu, Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. 14 Uchekong Nongchup Zilla Parishad member Seram Nikain inaugurated a RCC footbridge at Khongman Zone 1 in Imphal East, constructed under the State Finance Commission Award 2019-20. Nikain on the occasion appealed to the public to set aside all differences when it comes to development.
The Sina Yan Hanboina RCC bridge ama Khongmanda aina handaki Zilla Parishad share dagi akhoi State Finance Commission gi award 2019-20 dagi fund dagi akhoi RCC kano jema sajabani ada masina maruina connectivity se akhoi gi maningom side ka mamanglom side ka ni jigi praja mayam jigi connectivity je khara hengal handawa ne tawjabani khongmon gi praja mayam da ina yang kana appeal tawning badi akhoi any development work ama torok matamda amana bu orisu mayam punna support tawrakanda mai pakna naba akhoi gi hona mina badu aina mayam da adugi kano duma khudong sa loroga duma appeal tawjage.
Sana Maitram of the Khel Lekai Sakolband and NG Herojit Singh of Uripok donated Rs 2,000 to a COVID-19 welfare committee headed by Laishram Minabanta of Lamboi Khongnangkhong today. Priyadarshini Laishram, Superintendent of Police, Bishnupur, has informed that a joint meeting of Bishnupur District Police and Loktak Lake Fishermen Association, Thinungai and Apunbangami Sinmi Loop, Thangal was held last evening at the conference hall of Bishnupur SP. Through a press release, Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini today informed that the meet discussed various problems related to illegal fishing activities in Loktak Lake. Trainees Union today expressed discontentment over the remarks by some student organizations that the College of Teachers Education has been facing a downward position after the principal in charge took over the office. In a press release, the union added that the government should take decision for merger of DM College of Teachers Education into DM University and that the principal alone cannot decide the matter. It further added that NCTE has stopped recognizing the college due to lack of regular teachers, over which the union has protested on March 7 this year. The union also sought support from all student organizations of a state in bringing a change in the college. Meitei Presbyterian Singlup Synod Executive Secretary in charge Reverend Kurajam Inaucha Singh said that tuition fees from April to July for students of Loktak Christian Model High School, Moirang Lamkhai under Bishnupur district will be waived off. He announced this during a press meet held at Meitei Presbyterian Singlup Synod head office near War Cemetery in Imphal today. He said that tuition fees for 4 months will be waived off in consideration of the hard times faced by the families of more than 1800 students of the school. He also said that salary for 56 teachers of LCM will be paid at the earliest possible.
Loktak Christian Model High School Hariba School asi Sarkar na Education Department na phongdo khibagi matungina ekoigi April dagina April May June July hariba tha mari fee exam tobina ba request torokpadu ekoigi synod ki maikei dagisu ekoi tha mari asigi fee angang sing dagi amata logjaroi hadana maruina Loktak Christian Model High School ki surrounding the Lebiriba ekogi Satra Singi Guardian Sing Alaman Sing da media ki Kutang da Paujen Pijari.
We'll take another short break here. Keep watching.
Competitive Success Academy ki Class 11 amadi 12 Science ki admission hauzari. Pijari bu khudong chaba sing adudi June tha faubada admission taubirakpa Class 11 Science ki ahanba mahiroi yankhai gi admission fee Chada yankhai tajagani. Bosem na lauba exam da Chada marifu amadi CBSE na lauba exam da Chada marifu taragi mathakta fangba mahiroi singi oina admission amadi tuition fee laujaroi amasung scholarship pijagani. Chada humphudagi humphutara manga fawba fangba mahiroi singi admission tangkhai tamak laujagani amadi lairik lem na fanghanjagani. Class 12 ta ming chanabagi damak atopa board tagi Class 11 pass tawraba matung eligibility certificate pairaba mahiroi singda ming chanbagi khudong chaba pijari. Akupa marol gidamak contact tawbirau Competitive Success Academy Uripok Khoisnam Laikai Imphal contact number 6909199961 natraga 89747363991 natraga 9436288300 natraga 7005892311. Manipuri ihan hanbo oina CAT Center gi Architecture Engineering amadi graduate loiraba mahiroi singna tamnaba amadi NATA NIFT amadi NID gi online class hauzare. Yaubining basingna contact tawbirau 8974473982 natraga 825886045.
Welcome back. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi yesterday unveiled a plaque to mark the inauguration of a capacity development center in oncology of Dr. B. Borua Center Institute of Raj Bhavan in Guwahati. The center has been constructed with a financial outlay of Rs 4 crore, which has been donated by the Power Grid Corporation of India Limited as part of its corporate social responsibility. According to media reports, the governor, while unveiling the plaque, acknowledged the services being rendered by Dr. B. Borua Cancer Institute in giving quality cancer care to the patients belonging to the northeastern region and elsewhere. Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday declared 9 individuals linked to separatist Khalistani organizations, including 4 based in Pakistan, as designated terrorists under provisions of the UAPA Act. As per a media report, a Home Ministry statement said that the individuals include Wadhawa Singh Babar, Chief of Babar Khalsa International (BKI), Lakhbir Singh, who heads International Sikh Youth Federation, Ranjit Singh, Chief of Khalistan Zindabad Force (KZB), and Paramjit Singh, who leads Khalistan Commando Force, and other key members based in Germany and UK. The Home Ministry said these individuals are operating from Pakistan and other foreign soil and involved in various acts of terrorism. At least 50 people died today after a landslide at a jade mine in northern Myanmar trapped workers under a mound of refuse, the country's fire service department and an information ministry official said. According to media reports, the fire service said that the miners were collecting stones in the Jade Ridge Hapakant area of Kachin state when a muddy wave caused by heavy rain buried them. The rescue process is underway. Deadly landslides and other accidents are common in the poorly regulated mines of Pakant. Now the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. 13 more cases detected to take tally to 1,265. ASI positive. Samples of 200 corpses collected. COVID-19 in Assam. Cases double in 2 weeks to cross 8,000. Nagaland reports 42 fresh cases. 5th death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood. JCILPS to observe Day sombrely. Cancer patients left in the lurch at BRIMS. The People's Chronicle. ASI test COVID-19 positive. 26 fresh cases detected. 3 areas including Ziribam police station declared containment zones. MST bus service resumption evokes mixed response. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC has welcomed the resumption of inter-district bus services. June, worst month with close to 4 lakh cases. Imphal Free Press. ASI posted at Ziribam railway station found positive for COVID-19. Many inter-district buses yet to ferry passengers. Fare doubled due to fuel price hike. Limited passenger capacity. Ministry of Home Affairs declares 9 persons as terrorists under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Suspected corpse in civil dress create panic in Churachandpur. Indian Medical Association condemns treatment of healthcare providers.
Now the top news headlines once again. Manipur's COVID-19 tally rises to 1,260 with 26 fresh cases. Save Nambul River boat trip flagged off from Thong Nambonbi. And former MLA R.K. Anand quits NEIDP, joins BJP. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.